Amazing. So guys, before I start, the strategy that I'm going to use here is explained in the course in the description below. So everything is there. I can't explain to you more how I'm using, how I'm predicting all these candles. I will predict in this video. So in this session, I'm sure that I can predict at least 8 candlesticks. So the colors of the next 8 candlesticks, and I will take profit from them all. So as in this case, I'm predicting that this one is going to be a green candle. That's why I opened this position. I bought, and here I invested $500. If my prediction is right, I'm making $430. All right, so that's 86% profit. I don't know why IQ option are so low. If you're losing, you will lose 100%. If you're winning, you will win only 86%. There's some problem. That's why I don't like IQ option. Yeah, perhaps in the future I'll start using other platforms. For the moment, since I'm familiar with it, I'm having all my money on it. So I have a lot of money on IQ option. Yeah, that's why I will keep trading on IQ option. I don't like it, to be honest. I don't like it. They will give you a really hard time to let you withdraw your money. Yeah, so yeah, you need to look for a good platform before you start trading, because trading is simple. Simply, there's 4 steps. The first step, as usual, that I want you to learn is to have a good strategy. The second step is to respect this strategy. Yeah, respect this strategy and the rules from this strategy. All right. The third step, or the third rule, is to have a good discipline. So you need to discipline and never use emotions. All right, never use emotions. And the last thing is never panic. If you panic, you will lose. Don't panic. Don't panic. If you made a mistake here, that's okay. You can win in the next candle, but for the moment, yeah. So yeah. This one is also going down. So look what's happening here. Look at the parabolic SAR. Look here. Look at the Bollinger Bands. Yeah, beautiful. The Bollinger Bands are doing something magical. Amazing, right? Amazing. Yeah. This one is 100% a red candle. 100% a red candle. I know what I'm talking about here. I know 100% a red candle. So we still have 8 seconds, 7 seconds, 6, 5, 4. If my prediction is right, I'm making $430. 430 beautiful dollars. Again, I know. So yeah, the next candle is going down 100%. This one is 100% going down. Remember, guys, these videos are made for educational purposes only. I'm not telling you that you will make the same results and make the same money. Remember, this is not a become rich fast scheme. This is years of practicing and developing my own strategy. By the way, I developed my own strategy. I'm sharing it with you guys, so you can use it too. But I'm not telling you that you will make the same result. This is a simulation of what is possible to be done with binary option. You need to spend a lot of time on practicing on demo account first before you try or you trade with real money. You need to practice with demo account. That's it. That's all you need. You need to spend time practicing with demo account. Yeah. That's it. Demo account first. Good strategy second. Yeah, this one's going down. So have a good strategy. Respect the strategy. Good discipline. Never use emotions. And lastly, if I'm losing, I will not panic. Remember, don't panic if you are losing. That's okay. You have the strategy. You respect the rules. That's it. You lost. That's a mistake. That's okay. But you will keep respecting the rules from your strategy. So let's take another profit. Yeah, $420. as predicted. Yep. Let's see. I guess I'm still having more with this. Yeah, this signal. So yeah, this candle, this trend, downtrend, is making some reversal here. Yeah, look what's happening here, and look the colors of the candles, and look the RSI, and look the parabolic SAR. Everything is telling me that, yeah, my predictions are right. I know the colors of the next 8 or 7 candles. Yeah, next 8 or 7 candles. So I will double my money. Not all my money, not all this money, but I will double my money here, this amount, $500. At least I will double it 8 times. So oh, the end of the OTC. That's all right. Let's go to another. Yeah, let's look for Euro USD. I know Euro USD is profitable. Yup, as predicted. Crazy, right? As predicted. Beautiful. This one is going up. Oh, I was spending time with pound USD. I forget about this. I know the colors of this and this. This signal is 100% perfect. Look, the RSI change position. Look. Amazing, right? Amazing. I could made at least $3,000 in this 8 minutes. Yeah, 8 minutes here. I could made at least. Unfortunately, we was here at the end of this signal. Unfortunately. All right, at the end of this signal. This is the last candle, guys. This is the last candle. If my projection is right, I'm making $430. So as you can see, we are making $237,000. We started, I guess, at 232 or 34. So we made at least $3,000. At least, I don't remember, but we made at least $3,000. Sorry. All right. Yeah, I will stop. Yeah, after this this candle. After this candle, I will stop trading. Yep, it was a good signal. Unfortunately, I missed this one. I did not make money here. Later.